This isn't charging either. I don't know what the story is with this thing. Not plugged in. I never have a problem with this. Oh, this thing feels like it's broken right here. Let's go find another cord because I'm running out. Hold on a minute. I'll be right back. I don't have a jack. Takes the other style, and I don't have any more cords. It's the only cord. There's a story with this thing. Is it broken or something? Oh, it's a C. Huh. Nothing. My CPAP machine's on. And I don't have a plug-in for either one. Yeah, I don't have a cord for one and a plug-in for the... Oh, boy. These must be for the drill bits to tighten it up. What do? Stick it in here and then tighten this, I think. All right, or something like that. I don't know. I never owned one before. I don't know about anybody else. Holy cow, this thing is heavy. I've tried sharpening drill bits for my entire... I gotta get somebody to clean that up. I'll get to it when I get to it. Hey, somebody to... Oh, geez. What have I been doing? Did you do that? No? You didn't do that? Okay. Allergies will do that. That right there? Allergies will do that. Allergies will do that too. When you don't know nothing about allergies, and you start getting allergies, and you don't know nothing about it, it could be scary if you're all alone. And there ain't no if about it. When you get allergies, you are all alone. I got mine pretty much nailed down. Anybody know what we did with that cord? I don't have a plug-in. I don't know what's going to happen. I ain't got much time left. I don't know if I'm going to have to... I don't know if I'm going to have enough time to do a demo or not. clean this mess up. I can't, not right now. I got my new toy came in. As soon as I'm done with this, it'll take me like, I don't know, 5 or 10 minutes and a whole bunch of hoo and a whole bunch of ah. And then, I don't know, maybe. It's hot. Yeah, it's warm. Maybe it's just a plug. I don't know. When they sold me the phone, I didn't even get a plug-in jack for it. Or charge. Oops, whoa, why is that on? It was on. Not happy about that. I'm done. Okay. Cool, right? Where'd that drill bit go? So conveniently found one that was all busted and broken. Okay. No, I'm not aware of on how to use this. I went over it a few times elsewhere, looking it up. And if you ever tried sharpening drill bits before, it's either a hit or a miss. Well, I'm sick and tired of doing that. Or you get that one that just won't sharpen. Technical support, warranty, certificate. Huh. Huh. What's this? When you're done picking that up, pick that up. These go in them slots. Wow, what a disaster. It's dark in here. It's gonna rain. I just came from, I don't know where I just came from. The lake came out from about down around the lake. And driving away from a whole bunch of darkness. Whole bunch of darkness. I don't know what was going on, but step on the gas. Step on it because I don't know why. Just because. Just step on it. All right, ER20. What are these? 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 8. Is there an 8 in there? What's that? 6 something. Spare 2, 3, 8. There's an 8 right there. There's a 7, 8, 8, 9. All right. I got a 7, 8, 8, 9. I got a 4, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 3. What the hell's a 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6? Why is that numbered like that? 7, 8, 9. All right. Well, let's go with 1, I guess, right? Or wherever the hell it starts. 2. Let's go with 3. Do we want to go with 2, 3 or 3, 4? See how long this thing lasts. Oh, yep, okay. All right. I'm running out of battery on my phone. I don't know what's going to happen. I don't know what's wrong with my plug. Apparently, I need another cord. Buck nine. Very nice, buck nine. These are all individually Plastic wrapped here. That's pretty cool. Greased. Got grease all over them. I don't care for the what's this? ER20. They're all ER20. Alright, why is that one got an F? 5F, 4F, ER 26, 27. I don't like that. I'll have to read the directions. But what number was this again? The first one? 3? Which way does this go? Like that? Yes. Like that. I don't know what the spare is. I'm running out of juice here. If this thing would work. Oh. I don't know. It sparked and all that happy jazz when I plugged it in, so it must be the cord. 4. Let's go with 4. Alright, so this is to hold your drill bit. That's to hold your drill bit. How big is this? Alright. That's fair, I guess. You ain't gonna get it much better. I don't care. Just sharpen something. You know what I mean? I really don't care. Sharpen something. All these are individually plastic wrapped with grease. Oil, well, oil. Let's call it oil. Pick that up too. This will be interesting. A drill bit sharpener. Which one's next? 3, 4, 5. This makes 5. Alright. It slides over that, and then that tightens that down to hold your bit. Apparently. 6. Yeah. Fun. I don't know if it's going to storm or not. Not really sure what it's going to do. I don't know. Now, when I purchased this, it didn't have Vivo written on it. On the seller. It was just somebody. So I was like, well, it's kind of like a downer, man, because I really wanted a Vivo. So when it showed up and said Vivo on it, I'm pretty stoked. All right, check this out. I put them in there. What did I start on? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now look at the difference in size. I mean, there's this end here, but why are these two? These 3 are the same size here. This one's a different size from that one, and this one's a different size from both of those. But it seems like if it was going up, it would be 3, 4, 5, 6. You know what I'm saying? I thought that was 7. This is 9. Yeah. There's 8. Let me see here. Is that 8, 10? 4, 5. 3, 3, 4, 5, 7. This must be, that must have been 6. Okay. This makes 9, 7. I'm lost. Oh, 8. Never mind. 8, 9. That was 7. No idea. I'll have to read the directions. I got all them out of there. This is going on. grind point, angle. I'll have to look it up. This could be the back cut. This is your grind and this is your back cut. And that's in there like that. So you go like that, I would assume, and then you pull it out, turn it, stick it back on there, and that does the other side. And then I believe you stick this in here, and that's your back cut. Web diameter. Okay. Oh, that's pretty cool. Let's not put that in there. Let's read the directions. That goes in there, and then you stick that somewhere. You gotta check the depth, and then stick it in here, and then that'll clean that up. And I don't know. I think there's a back. All right, that's pretty cool. Read directions now.